Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now we're going to take a look at the edamame beans, which are just soybeans. These are the giant edamames that we planted on the other side of the property. They seem to be doing just fine. And let's take a look here. I think that's a bean right there. You see that? Huh. Try to get this thing to focus. There we go. Look at that. There's a couple beans growing already. There's another one down there. Another one over here. So we've got some beans on the way. And that's great. What I'm going to do, these first yields, is I'm going to propagate. So when these things become mature, I'll just snip them and then dry the seeds out and then plant those. So we saw on the other side of the property that those beans were ravaged by rabbits, so I've since put a cage over top of them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel out quite a bit, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these edamame beans. Have a good day.